Hi friends, with Excel you can very easily do plus, subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Do you know you can do exponential calculation to a range very easily also. For exponential calculation we have a formula of power, raised to the power 10 raised to the power 5, like this. Okay, you can do that easily. Suppose if I want to find power 3 power of this number, then we can use a formula. Okay, so let's see the formula for power. Here we need to select the range, the cell, the number, and how much power we want to raise for this number. Like suppose if we want to raise the power to 3, that's it. This will be the formula and it will do the calculation very fast. You can apply the same formula to whole range and you will get the results. So can we check it? Let's check if we are getting the correct numbers. Let's see. I'm using a calc calculator. 2192 into 2192 into 2192. Yeah, we are getting the correct results. So you can use the formula. It's very easy. Equal sign, power, bracket start, the number, range, starting cell A2 or whatever may be the case with your data, comma, and how much power you want to raise for that particular range or number. And I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.